Hey everybody, Professor Benlow here with a look ahead at Unit 5. Okay, this week is an important week, everybody, okay? Because you have Unit 4 discussion board responses due, and we're going to get into that in one moment. All right, so my office hour chat schedule for this week is as follows. Monday, June 15th, my office hour will be held from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And then on Tuesday, June 16th, my chat number 5, my very last chat, I get emotional about the last chat of the semester, that will be held at our usual time. Check your classroom for those specific details. Okay, so your Unit 4 due date coming up. Last night, which was June 12th, Friday, June 12th, you had your Unit 4 discussion board original post due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you have not gotten that in, get that in. I cannot emphasize the importance. Extremely important assignment. Remember, you had 2 important writing assignments this semester. One was the Unit 2 discussion board assignment, and this is the final one, the Unit 4 discussion board assignment. So get that in. Okay, so Tuesday, June 16th, you have 2 important things due. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then secondly, you have your Unit 4 telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, so your Unit 5 due dates. Friday, which will be June 19th, you have your Unit 5 terminology due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then you will have your Unit 5 in telepath due on Tuesday, June 23rd by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, everybody, get working on that Unit 4 discussion board and get it in. Remember, you can do this. Stay C2 strong and contact me with absolutely any questions you may have. Have a good one, everyone.